What's up guys, my name is Herb. I'm the car audio tech here at Parts Express, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to install some of the new sonic barrier damping material that we have to offer. We're going to go over a little bit of the materials we're going to use and for their particular applications and the benefits you will get from them. We got two different options we're going to install here today. First, we're just going to have the foil back 63mm damping material. And secondly, we're going to have a closed cell material that has the 63mm butyl material with another 126mm of the closed cell foam. Now we're going to use both of these. The closed cell is going to help block out some of the road noise, as well as reinforce some of the low end punch in your door speakers. And then the regular 63mm foil backed, it is going to add mass to our panels and lower the resonance so we can help eliminate some of the rattle that we get. Okay, so now we're going to get started. First we need to remove the door panel. Now each door panel is going to be different, so I would recommend to refer back to your manual to check how to remove your door panel. And also we have the P3 door removal tool set. You should check those out. It makes the job a whole lot easier. Okay, now important step in the prep is to go ahead and take something such as rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. You want to get all the dirt, dust, and oil that could have been on the metal that would adhere with the actual dampened material sticking to your metal. You just want to make sure that's really clean, get that nice solid connection between the two panels. And here we have the sonic barrier butyl rope. We'll use this to put in the cracks of the door to where we can't put the actual sound damping material at, to help just fill in some of the voids and stop some of the vibrations. When installing the closed cell foam damping material, it is advised to try and keep it all in one continuous piece for the best performance. So what I like to do is create a template out of cardboard of the surface I'm going to be attaching it to, and then transfer that template over to the damping material so I make sure I have a perfect piece to fit that area. Put them together like a puzzle inside the door, so once we can pull them out, transfer it over to the damping material, and we'll have our piece to fit that perfect spot. So now that we have our template cut and we have it transferred over to the sonic barrier sound damping material, we're just getting it put inside the door itself so that we can get it installed. During installation, we will use the sonic barrier damping roller. We'll use this to help push the damping material onto the door panel itself. And you want to make sure you push pretty hard on there to help make sure it gets in all the crevices for your best results. And you want to spend a lot of time doing this, more than any other step, to make sure this gets good contact. So now we got the outside skin done with the closed cell damping material. Now we're going to move on to the inside, where we're just using the 63mm butyl based foil coated damping material. This is going to help add mass to our panels and lower the resonance, so we don't have to deal with the rattle that we sometimes get from our cars. Sometimes whenever it is a little bit cooler out and the damping material is a little bit difficult to work with, you can use a heat gun and warm it up, and it just makes it a little bit easier to work with and get into the cracks and crevices and around those curves. Any bolts that would be behind the damping material, you're going to want to cut around that, just so that you can expose those bolts and they're not stuck in there. As you can see here, we have the sonic barrier damping material installed now. And we can go ahead and give you a small comparison between this treated door and this untreated door. And for the larger projects, we have 25 square foot rolls and 50 square foot rolls to do all four doors and your trunks and whatever projects you can think of to use this for. And there we have it. a brief instructional video how to install the sonic barrier sound dampening material. It's an awesome product. It makes a world of a difference between your doors from untreated to treated, and you'll love it just as I do. Now, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to know more information about the sound dampening material that we have to offer, visit partsexpress.com.